Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, class 2, last time we have discussed chapter number 6, that is using MS Word 2016, right? And today we are going to do the back exercise. So, everyone, please open your computer book and open page number 55, right? And we will start with the back exercise, and back exercise you have to do on the computer book, and then question answers you will write in the computer notebook, right? So let's start. Students, on page 55 of your computer book we will do chapter 6 back exercise. You can see the screen. You have to mention the date on the top left and CW on the top right corner, and the first is fill-ups. Let us do them. Number 1, Microsoft Word is a dash software. The answer is word processing. In the hint box, you can see the spellings and you will mark here also. The first answer is word processing. And the second one is the word application opens a blank document with the temporary name dash. The answer is document 1, right? Then the third one, the dash bar displays the name of document followed by program name. The answer is title bar. Please see the spellings TITLE. Then the fourth one, the dash bar is present at the bottom of Word 2016 window. The answer is status, STATUS. And the last fill up, the dash scroll bar moves the screen display towards right or left. The answer is horizontal. Please match the spellings HORIZONTAL. And in the hint box you have to mark the answers also, like I have marked. You can see here. Then comes on page 55, true false. You will write the full spellings of the true word or false word. Don't write short forms. First, the shortcut key to close the word application is Ctrl plus F4. No, the answer is false. Then second, the title bar contains the buttons for saving a document. No, it is again false. Then third, you should close a document without saving it. No, it is false. Then the fourth, the shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl plus P. Yes, this is true. The fourth answer is true. You will write TRUE. Then the fifth one, the file tab is placed above the quick access toolbar. No, this answer is false. So you will write FALSE. You can pause the video and write the answers also, right? Then there are matchups. These are very simple. A and B columns are there. You will make dots like I have made dots now. You will also make dots first on both the sides. Then you will join them. So first is creates a new file. The answer is Ctrl plus N. Okay, you will join it. Then prints a document. The answer is Ctrl plus P. Join it. Then the third is closes the document. Who closes the document? The answer is Ctrl plus W. The last option. And the next is closes word application. To close word application, the answer is Alt plus F4, right? So in this way you can match up. Now students, on page 56 you can see there are tick the right answer. You have to do in notebook with a pencil. So first, the dash area is used for typing and editing text. The answer is A part, working. So you will make a tick mark here. And in the fill up, in the blank area, you will write working, WORKING, working. Then the second, dash option is used to create a new blank document. It is very simple. B answer, make a tick mark here and write the answer here, new, NEW. Then the next one, third, how many scroll bars are there in Word 2016? Yes, answer is C, 2. So make a tick mark here and here you will write the 2 answer, right? Then last, to close the Word 2016 application, click on the file tab and select the dash option. The answer is A, close. So you will write here close Word and you will make a tick mark here, right? So today we are going to do chapter 6 question answers. So everyone, please open your computer notebook and you will first mention the date. What is the date? that you have to mention today. It should be mentioned on the left hand side of your notebook at the top left corner, right? After mentioning date, on the right hand side, you will mention the CW, that is class work. On the top right corner, you will mention it. And after that, as you can see, we will write the name of the chapter. The chapter is chapter 6 using MS Word 2016. After that, you will write in the next line question answers. Okay. So I hope you have written the headings. Date, classwork, chapter 6 using MS Word 2016. Then in the next line, question answers. After that, you will leave one line. After writing question answers, leave one line and then write question number 1. You can see the questions from the book also. It is on page 56. First question is, in what way is MS Word similar to a notebook? Okay, how MS Word is similar to a notebook? Then you will write question mark. Then you will write the answer. In the next line, you will write answer 1 and the answer is both can be used for note taking. Okay, MS Word and notebook both can be used for note taking. That is to write the notes. After writing answer 1, be careful, you will have to leave one line. As you can see here, you have to leave one line after writing the answer. Then write question number 2. What is question number 2? How is Word 2016 useful to us? Then question mark. Then in the next line, you will write the answer 2. And the answer 2 is number 1. We can type text. Okay, with Word, right? And the second point is we can add pictures. Be careful while writing the spellings of the words. Point 1 is we can add type text and we can add pictures, right? After that, you can see the third question. Before writing question 3, please leave one line as you can see on the screen. Then after leaving the line, write question number 3 and the question 3 is name the rulers present in Word 2016 document window. And the answer 3 is number 1 horizontal ruler and number 2 is vertical ruler. Please take care of the spellings. Match your spellings. Horizontal ruler and vertical ruler spelling should be correct. After writing question 3 and answer 3, you will leave one line again. And then we will write question number 4. Yes, you can see here. This is your question number 4. What does the title bar contain? Then question mark. So the answer is very simple. It contains document name. I hope you have written it. It contains document name and spellings of document, please match it, DOCUMENT. And this is your answer number 4. It contains document name. And after writing answer 4, again you will leave one line, right? And next is question number 5. Name any 4 components of Word 2016 window. You have to write any 4 components and the answer is number 1 title bar. Please see the spellings TITLE, title bar. Number 2 ruler, RULER. Number 3 status bar, STATUS, status bar. And the last is ribbon, RIBBON, right? So these are the question answers of your chapter number 6. So that's all for today, students. You have to do the back exercise in computer book and the question answers you have to write them in the computer notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Remember that. Thank you so much, students. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.